828 Find Adventure here. I want to share with you how I inflate the airbags and adjust the airbags on my truck. I have this little portable rechargeable pump and I wanted to share it with you. You can also use this for inflating mountain bike tires, basketball tires, car tires, whatever you need to do. So let's go check it out. So what I'm going to use is this little air compressor. It's called the Smart Air Pump. It is rechargeable. You can pump up basketballs, bicycles, cars, trucks, just whatever you want with it, and you can set the pressure on it. It's a really well-made piece, kind of looks like a walkie-talkie. It's heavy, it's got a big battery in it, and it really comes kind of packaged like an iPhone. And you know, maybe they spend a little too much money on packaging, but otherwise, let's try this out for inflating the airbags on the truck. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on. You gotta hold the button for a couple seconds and then it comes on. It's got this little screw-on type cap right here. I'm gonna take these little valve caps off. These are the Firestone Air Bags. You want to make sure you put the same amount of air in each bag, otherwise I guess it would ride kind of wonky. So let's screw this on. Let's see how this goes. Okay, it's telling me I have 13 in here. There it goes. I just screwed it on, hit the power button, and I'm gonna pump it up. 20 pounds. Now there we go. Screw it on tight. You can see that. I don't know if you can see it's reading, this one's reading 16. We're gonna pump it up to 19 and a half, 20. There we go. And that's basically what I'll use to adjust my airbags. It has a big battery in it, so it'll hold a charge for a while and enable you to air up a lot of things, but it's perfect for just readjusting these airbags. So, and you can keep it in the glove box or whatever. This little hose comes right off. So that's awesome. Pretty cool. It comes with this nifty press the valve adapter. So you loosen the top of the valve here. You screw down the press the valve adapter. I've got it set to bicycle. All right. There we go. Got it set at my desired pressure. You just unscrew it from the press the valve adapter. There we go. All inflated. So basically, you screw in the basketball or football needle here. You can go through the modes: motorcycle, car, bicycle, and it looks like a little basketball image. at that. I have it set now to PSI. There we go. It has this hose detaches. It comes with a bag to keep everything in. It comes with a charging cord, a valve to inflate basketballs, a little Presta valve for doing bicycles, and a little just utility air thing if you wanted to, I don't know, blow air off of something, or maybe if you wanted to blow up an inflatable for the pool. But so it's really nice. Comes with directions. Nice box. You know, they do a real quality job. So this is something definitely worth checking out if you have airbags, or if you just need a pump to, you know, around the house for inflating basketballs or whatever you need. This right here works really good. Then to take it down, you just unscrew this little basketball needle. Put that in a place where you won't lose it. Unscrew the hose. I put the pump back in the bag along with the hose. Little drawstring bag, and I just store it in here. There you go. Smart air pump. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video on the little smart air pump that I got that's rechargeable to inflate the airbags. I was looking for a solution that was compact, that I could keep in the glove box or under the seat. So if I needed to adjust the airbags depending on load real quick, I had something. And I think I found the solution. It also works for inflating bicycle tires, basketballs, your car, whatever you need. It's just handy to have one of these with you. So I'm glad I could share it with you. And you know, if you have any comments or questions, please comment below. I will put a link under the video in the description to this little pump if you want to check it out. And you know, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And you know, stay tuned. I've got more videos coming, and you know, on the truck, and I've got some camping stuff I'm going to be doing some videos on soon, and the weather's warming up, so I'll be mountain biking soon, and I'll be doing a little fishing while I'm mountain biking. So I've got some things coming up. So until next time, stay tuned, and I will see you then. See ya.